Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best CAT8 Ethernet cable. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Asimotech CAT8 Ethernet cable, built for speed, stability, and durability to upgrade your wired internet experience. Let's get started. Product features: ultra-fast 40 Gbps speed. With blazing fast data transmission up to 40 Gbps, this CAT8 cable easily handles 4K streaming, online gaming, and large file transfers without buffering, lag, or slowdowns, even on busy networks. Low latency performance. Designed for real-time tasks, the Asimotech CAT8 delivers ultra-low latency, making it perfect for competitive gaming, video conferencing, and professional workloads where every millisecond matters. Advanced SSTP shielding. Its shielded, screened, twisted pair design blocks electromagnetic interference effectively, ensuring stable signals, cleaner data flow, and consistent performance in homes or offices with many devices. Stable and reliable connection. Multiple layers of shielding protect against signal loss, helping maintain constant speeds and smooth connectivity, even over longer distances or in interference-heavy environments. Durable nylon braided jacket. The tough nylon braided exterior supports over 66 pounds of weight, resisting wear, bending, and daily stress while keeping the internal wires safe and long-lasting. Flexible and easy installation. Despite its strength, the cable remains flexible, allowing easy routing behind desks, along walls, or through tight spaces without cracking or performance loss. Slim and clean cable design. Compared to bulky traditional cables, its slim profile offers better concealment, helping you maintain a neat, organized setup that looks professional and clutter-free. Pros: extremely fast 40 gigabits per second transmission. Excellent shielding against interference. Durable, long-lasting nylon braided build. Flexible and easy to install. Ideal for gaming, streaming, and office use. Cons: overkill for basic internet users. Slightly higher price than CAT6 or CAT7 cables. Speed benefits require compatible hardware. Final thoughts: speed matters, and this cable delivers. The Asimotech CAT8 Ethernet cable is a premium solution for anyone who wants fast, stable, and future-ready wired internet. Whether for gaming, streaming, or professional tasks, it's built to perform. Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome tech reviews.